Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are making this beautiful Asooke headband. To all my subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for sticking with me. Okay, so we are using Asooke and just an Alice band. So I'll be covering my Alice band with my Asooke material, just the way you are seeing in the video. So pay attention and practice. So I'm going to be applying my glue first on my Alice band before sticking my material on the Alice band. Okay, so now we have our Alice band fully covered. So we are moving on to the main design. And I'm making use of length of 44 inches. So you watch how I created the design. So you practice. Also feel free to like, drop a comment, and share these videos. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. So watch, keep watching, and keep learning. Okay guys, now that we have our beautiful design formed, we need to secure all the pleats with thread and needle. So ensure you secure it to avoid it from losing. So keep watching and keep learning. Please like and share this video, leave a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Okay, now that we have fully created this design, so we are going to be attaching it on the Alice band, and you can see that you can attach it in different ways. So you choose any style of your choice. For me, I'll be fixing it this way. Okay, so I just apply my gum and then I attach it to the Alice band. And also, I will advise to also use a thread and needle to secure it in order to be very firm. And that is just that. Thank you and see you in my next video.